everyone, I'll show you how to sign out on Insightly. So, if you're using Insightly on your computer and you want to safely log out of your account, maybe you're on a shared PC switching users or you're simply done for the day, the sign out option is easy to find once you know where to look. So, first open your browser and go to insightly.com. Make sure you're signed in into your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your CRM menu, records, tasks, and other business tools. Now move your mouse to the upper right corner of the Insightly window. So you should see your profile photo, initials, or a small account avatar. So this profile icon is where Insightly stores your personal account options like user settings and logout. So click on that. A drop down account menu will open. Inside this drop down menu, scroll down a little if needed, and you should find the option labeled Log Out or Sign Out, depending on your account version. So click it once, and immediately after clicking, Insightly will sign you out of the CRM and send you back to the official login page. That means your account session is now closed on this computer. Now, this part is important. Once you're back on the Insightly login screen, don't just close the browser tab if you're on a public or office computer. Make sure you actually see the login page asking for email, Google login, or Microsoft login. That confirms the logout worked successfully. If you still see your dashboard after refreshing, click the profile icon and log out again. And if you're using someone else's computer after logging out of Insightly, it's also smart to clear browser safe passwords or sign out of your Google or Microsoft account if you log in that way. So that prevents automatic relogin later. And that's how you can sign out of Insightly on computer. Thank you for watching.